Assalamualaikum everyone. Welcome back to Faika Collection. I am Jamshed here promoting Faika Collection new Hari Raya design. Okay, for Hari Raya yang puasa dengan Hari Raya Haji ya. Okay, so welcome Hazira, welcome everyone, welcome back. Okay, please help me to do like and share first. Hello everyone. Muhammad Hamza, thank you for watching. Walaikum Assalam, Hanad. How are you? Salam everyone. We are selling today new design. We have a hello Muhammad Hidayat. Yeah, I need know. Thank you for your like and share.
Halima, say hi.
Halima, how are you? Halima, Assalamualaikum. We are doing a new design today. We are selling new design. My admin Shah. Assalamualaikum Shah. Thank you. Welcome back. Thank you everyone. Thank you everyone. Muhammad Hamza. Thank you. Welcome back. Thank you for your like and share. Ratu Cherry, thank you for your like and share. Shah Humaira, thank you for your like and share. Thank you, Shah Humaira. Thank you for your kind help also. Okay. Salam everyone. Samsur Hamida, thank you so much, sister, for your like and share. Marlina Umar, thank you so much for your like and share. Azizi Khan, Walaikum Assalam. I am no big boss lah. Allah is the big boss. I am small boss. Ni kecil punya boss. Linda Rahman, Walaikum Assalam. Kate Lila watching. Thank you, sister. Shahida. Walaikum Assalam, si Shahida. What's the length of the
Dress.
Yes, I have the length of the baju. This one, the length about 147 like that lah. Can you help me to give the measuring tape? I should measure this spot now. So the length of the baju, sister.
No, it must be from the shoulder.
About 139, sister. 139. About 139 to 140 like that. Walaikum Assalam, Salina. Thank you for watching, sister. Thank you for your support. Please help me to do like and share.
You have 5XL?
For this design, I don't have 5XL. The Islam for this design, Islam Nazrul for this design, brother, I don't have the size 5XL.
Lisa, say hi.
Hi Lisa, Rose, thank you so much for joining us this afternoon session, evening session. This one evening already. Thank you, brother. I'm taller. Oh, you are taller. How tall are you, sister? Let me check again. How tall are you? Because this one for the size 36. This the price is $45, sister. This one the price is $45. Okay.
I just replied, but Shah already replied.
Sister, just now we are selling this one is $45, sis Shah, we are selling just now the price guessed by someone is $45.
Arman Az.
So this is $45, $45. By the black dress have what size? The black dress, sister, we have 42 or not black?
No, don't have.
Mommy Naz. Mommy Naz.
Sis, we have only 36 and 38 only left. 36, 38 and 40 got black. 36 and black only we have 40.
I'm looking for length about 147 cm to 150 52 cm.
Okay, sis Shahida, I will ask my admin to measure for you the length, huh? 42
Today,
degree length.
Zila picked in here. She say Assalamualaikum.
Assalamualaikum. Waalaikumsalam. Sis Zila Pikin. My son is very happy. Say yes, Sis Zila Pikin is here.
This Islam say what design you have for 5XL?
The 5XL brother later, sister, I don't know sister or brother, but your name is like a brother. I don't. Later I will show you the 5XL design, huh? Noted. Sorry, bro. Yeah. So this is $45. Buy two for $90. Correct. Sis, Mami Naz, this one we left the size 36 and 40 only for the black color. Okay. The PTP, I think my admin pin already.
Yeah, PTP pin ready. You just need to click on the.
Okay, dear customers, you please check your PTP. We are already pinned the PTP ready.
Yeah,
Okay.
you just click on it.
Yes, you just what key ga? Length
40 the 144.
42 the length.
Length size.
Okay. Thank you. Okay. Mami Naz, Mami Naz, the black color now left 36 and 40 only. Oh, Hamza. Reply to Auntie Zila Pikin. Hamza going to reply you today. He's the admin. Today Hamza is the two admin. Got two admin today. Hamza and my wife got two admin today. So we are showing today. We are showing 4 design. I got 3 admin today. Today I got more support from the admin side. I got 3 supporter now. I got total 5 person with me today.
38 black, Mami Naz.
38 black ada tak? 38 Mami Naz, 38 black tak ada. Mami Naz ada 36 ada. 38 36
What color you have, boss?
Mami Naz 42 knife color what now? Mami Naz 42 left purple and left brown. 42 I got 2 colors only left now.
Okay, Zila Pikim says the back design on mannequin design 1.
Yeah, this is design 1. Design 1. This is design 1.
Length of 42 is 147.
Left now, thank you Sisha. Now left only 36 and 40 only black. Mami Naz, if you want, I can keep for you.
Size 42 what color?
42, I have this one, Becca, purple and brown. 42, I have purple and brown. PTP for what?
Length is 147.
Okay, this one is length 42. The pian length is 147. 147. Just now, who won?
Shahida.
Shahida, si Shahida, if you buy size 42, the pian length is 147. So panjang ka, ini bukan pendek. Ini length dia panjang. You can wear. I inshallah I know. Tahir Munir, thank you for watching. Zila Pikin mom.
I take 40, black 40 and 42 brown.
Okay, black 40 reserved for later Mami Naz, I check size black 40 and 42 brown.
Black 40 and
42 brown around there. 42 brown. Mami Naz.
Okay.
Both have.
Okay, Mami Naz, your one confirm Black is so nice. Yes, Zila Pikin says black is nice. But just now earlier you never join us. Taken by people. Just now I do before Asr I do live for 1 hour. That time taken. Now I have only Mami Naz. Your one is confirmed, my sister. Your 40 black and your 42 brown is confirmed.
Size 40, what's the length?
Size 40 length can you see?
144.
Zila Pikin 144 cm. Reply to Auntie Zila Pikin. 144.
cm.
Yeah. PTP for size 40 is
52 cm.
52 cm. PTP for the size 40 is 52 cm. Okay, you dear customer, we already pinned the PTP for all our 4 design, so you can check. Okay, yes, sis Mami Naz, your one is confirmed. Okay. 52 is already pinned. The PTP is already pinned. 52 is already pinned, the PTP. So, si Zila Pikin,
Nak size 40 black, 42 brown.
No, say it's not.
black tadi.
alamak,
Okay.
alamak, black, so loud lah. Black, 40 ada lagi tak? Black, no more finish. Black, 40 taken by Mami Nas. So, no more black.
Tadi ada lagi satu. The mannequin wearing.
Okay, si Zila Pikin, I got one more piece, 40. You want or not, sister?
Yes, you want.
I want this one 40. Hamza say you want, he want to keep for you. I got Zila Pikin, I got one more 40 if you want. I have 40.
Then 140.
Yeah.
If one, then
No,
carry.
still have.
If you want 40, size 40, I can reserve for you, Zila Pikin. I left last piece 40. After Mami Naz, I got one more 40. If anybody want, please comment now. 40 last piece. If anybody, ini PTP besar. So I think si Zila Pikin you can wear. 40 dia punya PTP berapa? 52.
I want. They say I want.
Okay, so this one reserved to Zila Pikin.
Okay.
Okay, sister, okay, reserve for you ready. Okay, so it's reserved for Zila Pikin. Anybody? So now the black color no more ready. So black color for size 40 also gone after si Zila Pikin so fast. Yeah, Rihanna Pikin, the black color people asking too much. So this one is sold out. So anybody with the size 36, size 36, I got all the colors. Okay, 36 if you want, size 36, PTP berapa? 36 PTP 47. That PTP 47. Anybody PTP 47, please comment now. Okay, Sister Hana Pikin, you also want anything? Tell me. Okay, noted. Thank you. Auntie say thank you, Hamza.
Sis Yezi say salam.
Walaikum assalam. She's Yazi. How are you? Like and share then. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for your like and share. Today later on after Isha got lucky draw. After
Yezi become our top fan.
Hamza say now Yazi become our top fan already. Your name is the top of the list. 38. Fifi 38 ada apa color?
38. Fifi Afida. Fifi Afida. This one
Ini
different.
semua 38 ada.
Afida.
Okay, so 38 I have purple now. 38 I go purple. 38 I go brown. 38 I go blue, royal blue, and I got emerald green.
Dark blue.
Dark blue.
Dark blue, sorry, no royal blue, dark blue. This is navy blue. So this is dark blue.
Like your shirt
Sorry,
lah.
like my
My shirt lah.
No,
shirt.
say salam and LS.
Waalaikumsalam Nurmala. Thank you so much, sister.
Also want any green also.
Huh? So, size 38, I got purple. If I can you reply, I got purple. Then I got
She ready reply. Sisha ready.
thank you, Sisha.
Sisha ready.
Sisha, thank you so much.
First finger.
Nanti kena belanja makan Sister Shah nanti belanja makan
First finger.
You are more faster than my admin.
48 because you are showing.
So this is blue, navy blue, and this one is emerald green.
48.
Huh?
48.
48 we don't have, sister. This design don't have 48. Please check the PTP.
Alpha, sister Alpha.
Sis Alpha, please check the PTP sayang.
48.
Hey, sayang.
48.
48 tak ada.
Quick
The
fingers.
largest is 42.
Haha, no problem, bro. And sis, thank you. Now, now my admin challenging you. Ready, sister?
Salam boss. Nazira
Walaikum assalam, sister. Thank you for joining. So now we have purple,
What is the
size
largest?
38, PTP.
The largest is?
Largest is 42,
48 cm.
48 cm. So this one is for 48 cm. This is long dress. So this one is the length is quite long. If you are short, you can cut. You can cut the from down. Okay. So this is quite very nice.
Yes.
You can see my this one I borrow from
Zila Pikin.
Zila Pikin. This is Zila Pikin one. This one also taken. Go to
Yang purple tak ada.
purple tak ada. Ini orang taken. Ini.
Ini apa? Ini apa? Bukan.
So this one I have purple now. I have brown. Okay. Then I have blue, navy blue. Then I have green color. So anybody with this size 38, please comment now. Comment. Okay. Anybody?
If not, I can move on.
If not, I can move on to next size. Next size will be size 40. Okay. 40 with what color we have? Purple.
Purple and brown.
Okay, for size 40, now I left only with size purple and I left with brown. So 40 I left with two colors. 40 now I left with two colors. Sorry, just not join. How much? Just join. Okay, this one is $45, sister. $45. You buy two for $90. This is $45. $45.
I post already.
$45, buy two for $90.
Size 48 ada tak?
Size
Mumtaz
48 ada.
asking. Sis Mumtaz asking, tak ada 48.
48 tak ada kak. This design don't have 48. This design only got size 36, size 38, 40 and 42. Thank you, Hamza. Sis Fifi said thank you, Hamza. So anybody with the size
You say don't have already.
Anybody with the size 40, please comment now. I got two colors only now. I got purple, then I got
Post last.
brown. Okay, two colors only. Design 1, size 36 to 42 only. Yes. Design 1, size 36 to size 42 only. 42, what color we have now?
42 tu purple lah.
42 purple je. Okay, 42 I left with purple only. So size 42 all taken. Size 42 totally sold out. Only I left with size purple color only.
Sis Mumtaz baby say crying princess.
Assalamualaikum. Sis Mumtaz. Kakak apa khabar? Baik.
Jangan nangis.
Jangan nangis kan, kakak Mumtaz kan dekat aje. Nanti boleh datang ke kedai pun. Boleh pilih sendiri. Jadi tak payah ni tunjuk-tunjuk lagi. Design number 2 and design number 3 for halves. Okay sis. Yeah. For design number 2 and 3.
And design
Have okay sis.
okay sis.
Yeah, still have. So anybody with the design number 1, size 42, I left only purple color. The rest all taken ready, all reserved already. Okay, so anybody with the size 36, we have all the colors.
Sis Mumtaz my mom.
Oh, okay.
Oh, sis Mumtaz, your mommy, Safia Ashad.
Still connected.
Hamza say everybody connected. Good lah, family. Assalamualaikum, sis Safia Ashad. Thank you, sister. Your
Kita belum delivery lagi.
sister, your present is still with me in front of my eyes, and then tomorrow, inshallah, we deliver.
Dengan apa,
Susi,
coklat-
Susi, thank you for joining us from Indonesia. Thank you, Susi. Suki,
Mana?
Suki.
I never see. I don't have the comment. You check.
So thank you so much. So if you all done with this one, can we move on to the next design? So it will be quick. Okay. If anybody you still want, you can WhatsApp to my admin. Big family here. Bam Bam, my auntie. Oh, Bam Bam.
Ya, aku bambang.
Alhamdulillah, Alhamdulillah. Good, good, good. Later can come to shop lah, inshallah. So here we have now. I left with 42. I left with this color only, purple color only. The rest all taken by customers. Big family. Alhamdulillah, alhamdulillah. Good lah. It's big family. Can not bored lah. Cannot be bored. So if you feel boring, then you can call your friend or call your family all can come home and makan. So if we have big family, is kita untung.
Me waiting.
Oh, my knife. InsyaAllah dapat besok lusa.
Admin say insyaAllah dapat besok lusa. Nanti boleh ambil gambar tunjuk Coming on the way.
Nanti tengah potong ayam boleh tunjuk.
Admin say nanti potong ayam tunjuk Tengah potong ayam. Okay, so this one is my 42. Faizan Malik, thank you for watching, Faizan. Yazzie, Bam Bam is my cousin. Oh, Bam Bam is your cousin. Yazzie. Alhamdulillah. Where's
Everybody cousin.
who my cousin? My cousin don't have ke? So this one is 42, So this Friday will you opening your shop already? Assalamualaikum, sis Lady Hani, welcome. Sister, yes, insyaAllah Friday. InsyaAllah boleh buka lah. Semalam government cakap boleh buka. InsyaAllah kita buka lah. Kita ikut government apa yang government guidelines InsyaAllah kita follow. Terima kasih banyak-banyak all my customers. They helped me during this CB. Thank you so much. So InsyaAllah. So this one we have 42. I left with purple color. If anybody want, please comment. Comment now. If not, I move on to the next design. Please get ready the next design. If you don't want to comment, I will remove this design. We will all your cousin already buy. Alhamdulillah. There. Yes, my cousin already. Okay, thank you, sister. Thank you, cousin. So I next time when you come to my live, I say cousin. Intan, thank you for your like and share. Thank you. Welcome to my live. Sis Intan, welcome to Faika Collection family. Sister, thank you. Inshallah, but if open already, will you still doing selling on? Yes, inshallah. Now, how come I can stop? We have a family ready, so I will continue lah, but not every day lah. We try like later after 2-3 days, inshallah I will do lah. I will do inshallah. Don't worry.
Boss, when open the shop.
Boss,
No
when
live anymore.
yes have shop have live have. Later all I miss you all lah. Later cannot. I must do live. I want to see all my group, my gang. I want to see my gang all in.
If
Yes.
never do, then miss our sister Zila Pitkin will miss.
Yeah. This my admin say we all miss Zila Pikin.
Why you put that face?
So inshallah we all inshallah will do the live. Inshallah we'll do. No problem.
Boss, at the shop, same price or different?
My small admin say different.
Online cheaper.
He say online cheaper. If you come to the shop, $78. Online cheaper. Better buy now. This one I tell you, I'm selling at the shop $78. Now I'm giving away only $45. Boss, at the Siti Sarina, the price will be different. If no live, nanti mom silam tak shopping lagi. No, inshallah kita do. Inshallah Rehana Pikin we do live, no problem.
Say any more live?
Yes, after this go one more live. After this Maghrib I have a blouses live. The blouse session, inshallah. My sister will join me. So Abu Ramir, inshallah we will still do the live. Even though shop open also we still continue. But maybe after 2-3 days we do, inshallah. Okay, I will show you all my shop also. I go one by one all my shop, then I will show you my shop one by one. Got tudung special. We have one shop for tudung only. Then black upper size ada. Sekarang black I ada 36 saja. 36 saja black kan sekarang. Lain semua habis. Okay, now black I left sis Rose. Black now I left 36 only. The rest all taken, sister. If 36 I got black, the rest all taken. So the all taken ready. So anybody with the size 36 I got black. If not, I move on to my another one more design. This design is we repeat the design. So if anybody of you miss this design, you can see again. This is my design number 2. So if you check your PTP for the design number 2, this is my design number 2. This is my design number 2. I still have. Okay, this is my design number 2. So anybody with the design number 2, please comment now. Superb. Inshallah, thank you Abu Ramir.
Very nice design.
Behind, yes, this is my design number 2. Sister, please you check your PTP. We already pinned the PTP already. If you still want any further in,
Bro.
okay, size 40. Abu Ramir, what color you want? Can tell me what color, design number 1 or design number 2? Now I'm showing my design number 2. This is design number 2. You need design number 2. So
Size 40 design mana?
Abu, you want size 40 for which design? Design number 1 or design number 2? This is I'm showing design number 2.
Dia nak previous ni ke apa?
Design 1 no.
Design 1.
What color?
Purple and brown.
Purple and brown. Give me the color.
Yeah.
So design number 1, 40. Now I left with purple and brown only. Abu, I left with purple and I left with brown only. 2 colors only. Purple and brown.
Design 2 plus size heavy.
46. We pinned already the PTP. Please check the PTP.
The PTP is already on.
Design 2 plus size have. Design 2, sister, the PTP already pinned 46.
46 mana? 46.
So Abu, you want this one or purple? I have purple for design number 2. Design number 1, I got purple, and I got this brown for size 40. If you want, you can comment now. I'm waiting for you. This is Abu Ramir. This is my design number 1. Size 40. I left now 2 colors only. The rest color finish. 2 for $90. Buy 1 is 45. 2 for $90. This is nice color. Anybody? Design number 2, we don't have plus size. Abu Ramir. Design number 140. What color you want? I got 2 colors only. If you take these 2 colors, then no more ready. This is last two. Last two, right?
Yeah.
Got green. Design number green and purple ada tak?
Rohani do set. Sis Rohani, why you do set?
Purple green tak ada.
Sis Rohani, why you set?
Sis Rohani, my son say why you sad? What happened to you today?
Rohani Barbie.
Can you share why you sad?
People set fits and our pin number.
Why you sad? We will never go anywhere.
Is it because she
We never go anywhere. Inshallah, we will do live also again and again. I will try my best to, whenever I have the time, I will do the live. Inshallah. Okay. Green, unpopular tak ada. Design number 2, I don't have green. Design number 2, I have only this color, only 3 colors. So design number 2, I don't have other color. I got brown, blue, and purple only. Don't have green. Ini green remove daripada sini. Tak ada yang jangan tunjuk. Okay, so design number 1. Assalamualaikum salam. Sheena.
I the baju all mashallah.
Alhamdulillah. Thank you so much, Ishina. Thank you so much. You get your baju ready. Thank you so much, sister. Walaikum assalam. Welcome to my live today.
I wait for other design. Dot.
I wait for it. Okay, no problem. You can wait for other design. Can. So this design.
Now he said
Design number two. Design number two. I have these three colors. If anybody want, please comment now. Comment.
Size 36, semua color ada. 38 semua color ada. 40 ada.
Okay, this is very beautiful dress also. We have the remaining stock. One design number one, light brown 40.
I
Oh,
want to see design 1 light brown, size 40. Design 2, wait, what? Light brown 40. Design 2, size 40 dark brown. Thank you.
okay. You want to see the light brown design number one? Okay, light.
Oh, she won.
Okay, you want, sister. Okay, sister. This one confirm for you, Sis Hatima. Sis Hatima. Design number one, brown. Is confirmed for you. Size 40. Dark brown.
No, dark brown. This is light brown.
No, this
No,
is
the
light
other
brown.
one,
The other one.
Design 2 dark brown.
40 ni.
Dah ada dah. Dah ada.
That one size 40. No? Yes, that one size 40.
Okay, sis Hatima, your one is confirmed, my sister. Walaikum salam.
Yatima.
Sis Yatima, your one is confirmed, sister.
Yatima.
You can WhatsApp to my admin. Sis Yatima, your one is confirmed, sister. Alhamdulillah, your one is confirmed. Any more? I must grab for this design number 2. Guys, it's really beautiful. Thank you so much, sis Lady Honey. Thank you so much, sister.
Design 2 beside brown is what color?
Design 2 beside... Huh?
Beside brown.
Design 2 beside brown is what color? Blue. This is blue. Light blue. Ini light blue ka? This is light blue. Today I have about 6 admin. So very fast reply. This design is baby blue. Yes. It's have 36 and sure will grab one more. This design 36 ada tak? Tak ada kan? Ini 36 ada.
Delivery charges.
Sis Lady Honey, this design I got size 36. If you want, you can take.
That one sis sorry. Sis Yatima say.
Yang ini.
Sis Yatima say.
Ini lain, ini lain harga.
Ini 45, 60.
Sis
Sama juga 45, 45. Diskaun lah.
Sis Yatima say delivery charges so much. But she buy 2 right?
Sister, if you buy 2, no delivery charges. Your free delivery. Design number 2 memang cantik. Alhamdulillah. Rehana friend. Thank you so much. Alhamdulillah. Sis Zila Pikin, thank you so much. Design 2, sis Lady Honey, I got design 2, I got 36 if you want. You can grab now. I have 36. If you want, I have 36. This one is $39. Design 2 is $39. Design 1 is $45. Yes, we have. Baby blue ada 36 tak?
Ada. Statistik ada ni.
Okay, Lady Honey. I got size 36. I got blue color. If you want, you can contact my admin. Delivery will be free ka? Delivery free. Free delivery. 50 ke atas, delivery free. Okay, so anybody want design 3 and 4, can't wait to see. Design 3 is the plain and design 4 is the flower one. So if you are looking for bidding one, glamour design, you can take now.
I think they can see.
Yeah, design 3 and design 4 will be plain and flower.
The repeat.
Repeat one. That one is repeat. We are repeating the design. Because just now that day many customers never get to buy. So we are repeating the design number 3 and 4 for our remaining customers that haven't purchased. So this one, if you want, I have size 36 to 46. Anybody with the size 36 to 46, please comment now. Comment down below now. so we can keep for you. Please comment. Anybody want black coffee? Jemput, huh? I'm
Jemput minum ke? Jemput ni kuih.
man kurta. How much? Man kurta, sister, $28. Nah. So anybody want? Please comment. This one is no plus size. This one no plus size.
I say first. I posted just now.
Brother, can I order blue and purple size 44? But I don't have.
No, why no answer?
Which one, sister?
Why?
Rabi, which one? Sorry,
Maybe miss.
We always never miss one.
never mind. Sometimes we miss. Okay, never mind. Sister, you tell me blue 44.
44 only brown left. Only brown.
Oh, that's why you said
No, this not the one.
this one don't have for the dress size 50 to 53. Tada Siti, ini tada 56.
Blue and purple size.
Oh God, 36. Never mind. I see other two design. First one to baby blue, but different from mine. Okay, no problem, Lady Honey. I think that the last two design you see already last time.
Ada brown.
We are repeating the next two design is we are repeating behind you. Okay, behind me have sister. What's for sister Rabi 44? We have only brown and blue. Which one size you want?
Brown aja pak.
Sister brown. The 44 now I left brown only, sister.
Behind you.
Yang gantung.
Tengok yang gantung ada tak?
Behind you one.
Ini $39, two for $70. Rabi, this one is 44, two for $30. Let me check what color, what size I have. Okay, no problem.
This design ni.
So 44 ada apa color?
Brown brown only.
Okay, show me the brown. Show me the brown. I show lah. Okay, sister, this one I go brown only. If you want, sister.
Design. Design.
Pa.
Okay, brown and blue. She want brown and blue, so right.
Design one size 44. You have black.
What size?
44.
Size 44 design 1 tak ada kak. 44 memang tak ada. 42 only. So sis Rabi behind me. Purple I don't have, sister. I got blue and brown. You want or sis Rabi? I got blue.
44.
I got blue. I got blue and brown. For sis Rabi, you want or not, sister?
Two pieces.
Okay, can?
Two pieces you want.
Yeah, 2 pieces. Okay, sister, but I got blue and brown only. Sis, I got blue. Okay, you just now order blue. Confirm. The next you want brown or not?
Yes, you want two pieces. Size 44 black. For design one have.
Sis Rabi, I don't have purple. I can give you brown or not. Brown also nice. Sis Rabi, please comment. The blue confirm. And the next one I have only
Line design 44.
Okay, 44.
Okay, cakap kita tunjuk line design.
42 ada tak purple? 42.
Ni tengok line design ada tak?
42 purple ada tak? She will say 42. Okay, sister, 42 I have. Sister, 42 I have. 42 I go purple. You want, sister Rabi? I'm just trying to reply to.
Design you want 42.
So both 42 or 142, 144? Sis Rabi, you want 44? I give you blue and purple. I give you 42, or you want both 42? ना बेटा उन्होंने कट कर दे वालेकुम अस्सलाम सिस फारनीसा welcome sister from also I can okay one also can okay one okay sis Rabi, your one is confirmed, my sister. Sis Farzina, thank you for watching from Belgium, sister. Thank you so much, sis. Belgium, send some chocolate, lah, sister. I like the Belgium chocolate. Send some chocolate here. Here, got. Okay, sister, your one is confirmed. Sister Rabi, your one is confirmed, sister. You message confirm.
Rabi.
Yeah, sis Rabi, your one is confirmed, sister. Thank you so much. Sis Farnisa, send some welcome. Faranisa. Okay, 44, another 42. Okay, sister, your one is confirmed. Sis Rabi, your one is confirmed.
144 and another one.
Okay, confirm. Sis Faranisa, send some chocolate. Okay, inshallah, inshallah. She said when I come back then send. This one, my family all chocolate lover. Hamza, Faika, all they like chocolate. They chocolate fan. Okay, sister Rabi, your one is confirmed.
Satu je sis Rabi.
No, though.
Which one?
Ek blue and
42
purple.
Still have purple 42 other.
Liza, purple 42 still have or not? 42 purple ada tak?
Tak, yang sis Rabi punya dia ambil color blue size apa?
44. You know,
Don't have
sis
Liza Rashid.
Roger.
Roger.
Okay.
This Liza Rashid.
Okay, sis Liza Rashid. I don't have 42 purple no more, sister. Roger.
Roger back.
Okay, so anyone?
Nak kasi ni design tak? Boleh lah. Kita go.
Both color, okay. Yeah, sister Rabi, your one is confirmed, sister. Both color is light blue 44 and 42 purple. Your one, sister, confirm. You get ready because you choose earlier. Then the second one, just now somebody messaged Liza Rashid 42. We don't have, sister.
Purple 42.
42 purple tak ada lagi, habis. Tadi last orang dah ambil dah. Sis Rabi dah ambil. 42 now I have what color? 42 now I have chocolate and blue. Okay, 42 sekarang I ada brown dengan Sis Liza Rashid. Now I have blue and brown only.
Confirm.
So any more? Sis Ila Pekin, what the weather in America now? Hot or still raining or what? Tell me something about weather. In Singapore now is going to look like going to rain like that.
Mendung.
Over there is like
Mendung.
Anybody with the size 36, 38, 40, please comment now. If not, I will move to my design number 3.
Okay. If you send after 6 o'clock,
Not today. Boss, brown size 40 still available. Size 40 brown ada tak?
Size 40 brown. Sekejap.
Sis Zila Pekin, let me check, sister. Sis Rabi, after 6 we never say, we see the delivery will be 3 to 4 working days, sister. Okay, but we'll try to send early. If you want to send after 6, we put a note that you want to get the delivery after 6. No problem.
244.
40. Okay, Sis Zila Pekin, I got one 40 for you if you want. Sis Zila Pekin, I got one piece 40 for you. Brown 42 dusty brown and dark brown. That one is dark macam Milo. Kira color dia.
Yang mana ni? Ini dark lah, dark.
Dark brown. Sis Zila Pekin, your one is confirmed, sister. 40 I have.
Cocoa color.
Cocoa color, ini cocoa color.
look.
Sis Zila Pekin, your one is confirmed, sister. Sis Zila Pekin, reply to Sis Zila Pekin.
Yeah, yesterday was hot. Now still cooling because it is still earlier 6:10 in the morning on the
Oh, Alhamdulillah, Alhamdulillah. Yesterday was hot. Singapore, we used to hot already. Singapore every day hot. Sometime raining, after that still hot. So, see Zila Pikin, your one is confirmed, my sister. 40 I have. So, if you want, I can keep for you the size 40 brown I have. Sis Liza Rashid, this one is cocoa brown, and if you want, yes, I want if I can change. Can sister, you can exchange, no problem. We can keep for you.
Okay. The 42 Liza Pikin.
Sister Liza Pikin, just now Zila Pikin.
42 dia dua.
This one confirm, huh?
Dah.
42 dia dua.
Okay, can, no problem. Waalaikumsalam, sis Nurhani Cheng. Thank you so much for joining us. Thank you so much, sister.
All the way from Canada.
So anybody want this my design? Sis Liza Rashid, you want or not, sister? You tell me. I got light brown and cocoa for 42. Okay. Please help me to do like and share. Huh? Like and share. Like and share. So this is my design number 2. If you want to see any other color, please comment now. If not, I'm moving on to my next design. Before Maghrib, I have to show you 4 design. So just now I showed design number 1. This is design number 2. Thank you. No problem, sister. You're always welcome. No problem. So I have another, the third and fourth design. That one we repeating because that day a lot of people want to buy. Just join because busy. Any new design? Design number 2 got already. Okay, I will move on to design number 3. Light brown. Light brown. This is not light brown. Cocoa color. This is cocoa color. Zulbir, thank you for watching. Any 2 for yeah, this is 2 for 70. This is Liza Rashid mixed with other design. No, that's not the design number 1 is $45. This is design number 2 is $39. Buy 2 for $70.
I want to see.
Sit. You want to see what design, sister? You want to see?
This one no, I want to see closer.
Okay. So you want to see this design? You can.
No, the brown. The cocoa color, the cocoa.
Want to see cocoa color?
Yeah.
This is cocoa color. You can see. This is my design number 2. This is my design number 2. This is cocoa color. Wudu friendly, no free. Wudu friendly. Ni admin pun dah. Admin dah lapar dah. So this one is wudu friendly. The material also very nice material. Friendly, huh? Okay, so anyone you want this one, please help me to contact admin for this design number 2. What color left for the size 40? Okay, design number 2. What color we have for the size 40? I left with purple and I left with blue. This is Yatima. Kasihan. Dia cakap dia baru makan. So Yatima, this one I got purple and blue. Yazi, admin baru makan. Baru makan macam mana boleh lambat. Boleh lapar. So this one I got purple and I got blue. Let me consider for the design too.
Sis Yatima say purple 40 for her.
Purple. Okay, sis Yatima, your one is confirmed, huh? Purple. Sis Yatima one. Okay, sis Liza Rashid, you can.
This one who?
Yatima.
Yatima.
Yeah. Purple size 40. Okay, sister Yatima, your one is confirmed, sister. Okay.
Yatima dah ada 3 eh.
Okay, sis Yatima, Alhamdulillah sudah beli 3. Okay, sis Liza Rashid. Okay, never mind, you consider. But if I don't have the size, I cannot guarantee. Anna, waiting for more bling too. This one I already ordered on hold. Okay, no problem, sis Anna. I will try to bring more bling bling. You demand what my customer, what you all demand, we can bring for you, no problem. You want bling bling, we bring bling bling. You want plain, I bring you plain.
Alhamdulillah, ini for super lah bani.
Supper.
SUP. Ya.
Shop.
Fun, I don't keep my alarm. I request. Okay, thank you. You can request, no problem. Thank you so much, is Anna. Thank you. Today you like and share or not? Your Facebook allow to like and share ready not? That day you say your Facebook blocked you from like and share. Black color bling too. Black color bling bling. What size you want, sis Siti Sarina? Yes. Bling 2 please. Okay, no problem. Bling bling can. Okay, I can. Yes, I did. Baby Hamza like my share. Yes, I did. Baby Hamza like and my share ready. Like and share ready. Okay, thank you so much. When shop open? Can, no problem, sis Liza Rashid. You are most welcome to my shop in any branch. I have in Jucha Complex, I have in Gelang Sarai, and I have in West Side in Jorong West. Okay, so you all most welcome. Bring more. Okay, inshallah, I bring more, no problem. Okay, can we bring more black bling bling, no problem. Okay, now I moving on to my design number 3. Design number 3, you can check the PTP for design number 3. This design is a plain one. Plain one. Okay. I will move on to my design number 3. Okay, this one is my design number 3. It's very cooling material. Okay.
This is the simple.
This is the simple. Baby Hamza said this one simple one. This one later on you jalan-jalan pun boleh pakai. Menggaji boleh pakai, belajar boleh pakai. So this one is my design number 3. This is design number 3. Anybody want design number 3? Please comment now. Ashikin, walaikum assalam. Do you start opening your boutique this Friday? Yes, inshallah we will open. Bro, how much? This one, sister, $28 is. This one is $28. You buy 2 for $50, sister. This is $28. Buy 2 for $50. Okay, this is very beautiful car. Plain and nice. $28. Buy 2 for $50. This one, the color is very nice. Can you show me the colors for size 38, please? Okay, here. These are the colors for size 38. We go size by size, because this one is so many colors. I also don't know how many colors. Got 10 or 20 colors, I don't know.
20.
So this one is too many colors. So I will show you size 38 first. I cannot find 38 here.
Okay. PTP 52. Take on this one. This one. This one.
Okay. So I go size by size. This is size 38. This is size 38. This is very nice, simple and nice, sister. You can wear, go mengaji. And smaller size. Smaller size, sister, Ana 38. Okay, my PTP 52. PTP 52, apa boleh pakai ni? Sis Vanessa.
PTP 52.
Size
38 boleh?
Sister, my admin say you can wear size 52 PTP, you can wear size 38. So you can wear size 38. You can see the size 38 is very nice. So this is size 38. The colors, I have purple. This very nice. Behind got this one. Tali. Boleh ikat ini kak. If you go like to work or you go to jalan-jalan or majlis or you go anywhere, you can wear. This is very comfortable and cooling material, not hot kak. So this is my purple. Okay, then I have salmon color. This is salmon color. Okay, then I have light purple, lavender. This is lavender color. Then I have blue color. So this one PTP 52 can wear. PTP 52, all these color we have. Okay, so this is light blue. This is lavender color. Then I have salmon. Then I have purple. So these are all, but the green and pink cantik. Green and pink. Yeah, pink salmon lah. The pink is salmon color. Hamza, what are you doing? Hamza macam jadi salmon. Then salmon color, then kacau-kacau salmon.
Jadi ikan kat belakang.
Hamza jadi ikan kat belakang.
Ikan baru keluar laut.
Ikan baru keluar laut. So this one we have the for 38 sister. I have color. You can take screenshot. You can take screenshot for the color. 1, 2, 3. You can take screenshot. This is purple color.
He's so cute.
Then I have salmon. Ada kat kita punya rumah pun ada satu salmon. Ada satu cemune kat sini. Kita punya rumah satu salmon ada. So this one is purple. Lavender color, lavender. And this one I got blue. Blue color, baby blue.
No, lovely blue.
Okay, sis Yatima, thank you so much, sister. You want blue and purple 38. Blue and purple.
Lavender.
I mean, salmon, what color you have? I mean, salmon, what size you have?
Baby blue.
Ini purple kan?
Yeah, baby blue.
Yeah, purple.
Yeah. Okay. So blue no more ready now. 38. I have this color only.
For who? For who?
Hatima.
Yatima.
Yatima. Sis Yatima. Your one sister confirm.
Adik bangun.
Salmon.
Mami nak tulis.
You. Yeah, confirm sister. Sis Yatima sister. Your one confirm. So with me now no more blue color ready. So now 38. I have this color only. 38 now I have purple.
Mana pen dia?
Okay, this is lavender.
Hamzah dia tu susah nak ambil Hamzah.
Dijah ini apa color sekarang?
It's purple.
Ini pun purple tapi ini lavender. Yang
This is
ini
purple.
Ini purple.
Then I got salmon and I got lavender. 3 colors only. 38 left, 3 colors only now. Kaka Yatima one confirm.
Salmon, you see her.
Sis Ashikin, later you can come to my shop lah. Come to Jucha Complex. InsyaAllah nanti boleh jumpa. Local customer all can jumpa. The foreign customer, insyaAllah I have to go their country. I will go to USA and I will go to Belgium.
I say
Then I will go to France. France also got one customer.
New York.
New York also have.
You are picking.
Hamza says New York Zila Pekin.
I never go New York.
Hamza want to go New York, dia bilang. So this is purple. What? My mother said this is not purple. Ammi Jan, this is purple. Ammi Jan. Bibi Jan. Bibi Jan terus hilang. Bibi Jan mana hilang ni hari? So this one is salmon. Okay, see Yatima, your one is confirmed. If this is confirmed, everything, I will move on to size 40. Size 40 PTP.
Belt punya.
This is belt design, belt design. Now I'm moving on to size 40. This size 40 PTP. PTP 53. I have pink color. Apa color je?
Pinky.
Pink color. Then I have dusty pink.
No, dusty purple lah ni. No, kan nude color Adi. Nude color.
No.
No lah. This one is salmon.
What's that nude?
Salmon ada ini sini pun ada salmon. Kalau ada.
Bam Bam is watching.
This is Bam Bam. Thank you for watching. And this one is hot pink. So these are the color for size 40. PTP 53. This is Bam Bam. Thank you for watching.
See Bam Bam, where you go?
Inshallah, I will come once it's open. Inshallah, sis Ashikin, thank you. Fifi 38 tak ada green ka habis.
Where the other
Size besar color lawa.
Mana Yatima yang barang ni? Blue and purple.
Ana, thank you. Anybody with the size 40, please comment now.
size besar color lawa. Lawa.
Ya, besar-besar lawa semua color dia.
He say lawa.
Ya?
Ni Yatima.
1, 2, this one. What color you want? Size besar. Who?
Liza, all the baju.
Sis Liza Rashid.
People later want to
I never get the comment also.
make all in neck.
Ni satu set.
Mannequin itu hijau, light green. Sis Liza Rashid. Mannequin tu color apa? Light green. Waalaikumsalam. I want 38 lavender design number 3, please. Okay, sis Jumani. 28. Jumini. Yeah. Sis Jumini one what color?
28 to 450.
Sis Jumini. I want lavender 38. Okay, lavender 38. Okay, Waalaikumsalam. Lavender confirm. Ini lavender.
Green color have.
Ini lavender kan?
Green color 38 have.
No, green color tak ada kak. Ambil 2.50. Ambil lagi satu. Ada ini color dia. Sekarang I ada biru purple dengan salmon. Ada 2 color je.
Lavender. Siapa nak lavender?
Siapa nak lavender boleh. Bro, is this big cutting? No sister, it's a standard cutting sister. So this is PTP 52 sister. You can wear. If your PTP 52 sister, you can wear. Because this one got tali also. Ini ada tali kah? Bagus ini. Kain dia bagus. Ini ada tali lagi. Dengan ini ada tangan dia pun ada
Is it
button.
standard cutting?
Standard cutting. So now 38 I left with 2 colors only. The sis Jumini, your one is confirmed, my sister. I put aside ready. So now I got 2 colors only for size 38 PTP 52. Anybody size 38 PTP 52 can buy. Sis sis Farnasha, you can wear. Don't worry. Take 2 this one 2 for 50. Take both design, both colors, sister. 1 for 28, buy 2 for $50 plus free delivery to your doorstep. Only for local customer. For foreign customer, delivery not free.
Postage, you need to pay for postage. Postage.
So anybody with the size 38 PTP 52, please comment now.
Please comment now. place your orders.
To place your order, please comment.
Okay, I want bigger size. PLS.
Okay, since you want bigger size, you want 40.
Ni Zubria.
This is bigger size, sister. If 52 PTP, you can wear. If your PTP 52, you can wear this one. I can reply, sayang. Okay, I want. Okay, sister, you want what color? You have to tell me what number of the size and color. What color you want, sister? Okay, I want PTP 65. Okay, you want PTP 65 is size 50 ka? Size 50. If you PTP 65, you take size 50 ka? Color apa nak kak? 50 color dia. 65 you take size 50. Ini color dia kak. Ini this is the color for size 50. Kalau 50 color dia lawa-lawa. 50 color dia banyak kak. 50 I ada purple. These are all PTP 65. PTP 65 size 50. Okay, these are the colors. I have purple. I have royal blue. I have royal blue.
We have in there.
Then I have hot pink. Please screenshot.
It's very hot.
Okay. Then I have blue,
The pink is very
light blue.
the pink.
Then I have green. This is light green. Then I have dusty pink. So these are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 colors for the size PTP 65, size 50. So you can take. Which one you want, sister? You can tell me.
Good offer.
Yeah, good offer now. $28 only. Buy 2 for $50 plus free delivery to your doorstep. Free delivery to your doorstep. It's very nice, comfortable, and cooling material, sister. Pakai magigil nanti.
Orang takut nak makan.
Pakai magigil terus magigil. Okay. For royal blue, dusty pink. Okay. So you want royal blue and dusty pink, sister. Your one is confirmed, sister. Farnisha, royal blue and dusty pink. Okay. These two colors, sister, confirm for you, huh? Royal blue and this one. Okay, sister. Confirm.
Okay.
Yeah, 2 piece. 2 for $50. Free delivery.
Okay, both that colour have.
Okay. Okay, sis, you can contact my admin at 933-99637. Thank you so much, sister. Hello, sis Kai. Where are you? So long. After so long, you are here.
Hi, cute mums.
Kai, cute moms. Where you go, sister?
Sarah.
You size 46 PTB berapa? Size 46 PTB berapa?
Faranisha.
61 kah?
Farah Nisha.
61 kah cute mom? I just say cute mom only. Cute moms, your one is 46 PTP 61. Kak Yatima, thank you. No problem. Thank you, sister. Thank you so much, Kak. Fanisha, thank you so much, sister. All the way from Belgium.
Hi, cute mom.
Kai cute moms 46. I have size 46, sister. I got PTP 61. Kai cute moms is my really fasting month customer. Anyone, please comment. My beautiful dress, simple one, nice one. I'm selling only at $28. Buy 2 for $50. Special offer. Hamza, you can go inside for
Hamzah, go Hamzah.
61. She want the color. Okay, 46. Dia punya color, sister, is okay. 46. Dia punya color very sweet. Manis. Color dia manis saja semua. Okay, color dia ini ada. This is what color?
It's pink. Pink.
This is pink color, sweet color, sister. All the color sweet. So pink color for size 46, PTP 61. Then I have dusty. This one what color je?
Grey.
Macam purple-purple sikit.
This one got purple, light purple, light purple.
Very light.
Then this,
Dusty.
Green.
then this one I got hot pink.
Very hot pink.
This is hot pink, and I have a salmon. So quite sweet, quite cute, moms. I have sweet color for you. Okay. So what color you want? Manis nanti.
Pipi kau ni barang. Kita dah minta kan? Dah ada.
Kiki aja ne.
Manis nanti attract.
Semut sangat and
Yeah, ants nanti banyak ants come.
what is like cake and
Yeah, semut nanti datang. So yes. So anyone? Sweet color. I have pink. I have dusty purple. I have hot pink. And I have salmon. For size 46, PTP 61. Si Zila bikin. Ni hari masa apa? Okay, size 44. May I know length is it? Hot pink and dusty purple. Okay. Kai cute moms one hot pink and that dusty purple.
Hot
For
pink.
size 46.
And dusty purple.
Okay, sis Fadli, you want 44. I know the length. 44 the length kini. Okay, Kai cute moms, your one order is confirmed, sister. Your order is confirmed, huh? Alhamdulillah, Kai cute moms, your one is confirmed. So sis Fadli, size 44. Sorry, size 48 got green. Size 48 ada green ta? This green have. Length is the same. This 46, 44 the length is the same. Okay, sis Fadli, 44, huh? Fat Fadi, 44, dia punya panjangnya 145. 145 you reply. 145 for the length of size 44. Sis is 44, the punya length is 147. Am I right?
Ini dusty purple. Apa di Kai cute moms
144.
one
144. 144. Assalamualaikum. Waalaikumsalam. Hani ada orange.
ni macam dusty purple.
Sis Hane, how are you sister? Tadi ada baju kajol kuch hota hai. Size 36 black I have. 48 green ada tak? 48 green ada tak? Itu.
Ini dong. Ini saya siapa?
48 ini ada tak?
Kai.
Okay, ada hum Saika. Say Kai, I have size 48 I ada. So you want, you can contact my admin. I book for you 48 first, huh?
Size 46 pink.
Size 46 pink, okay. Who wants size 46 pink, huh? Huh?
Muhammad Hamzah, just give her.
Ini,
Please.
your one is confirmed, my sister. Sis Fadli, 44. The peer length is 144. 144. Ini size 46 pink confirm, sister. Ini your size 46 pink confirm.
Mana baju kajol.
This one 46 kasih Fini.
Ini.
Okay sis, ini your one is confirm, my sister. Baju kajol ada, like and share, and thank you Hane. Okay, thank you sister. Buy two for $50, free delivery. Baju kajol kat belakang. Kakak tadi ada mana itu baju kajol? Kajol tu baju kan kalah. Oh, jada kalah laga hai.
Ini dua.
Kajol. Idhar hai. Okay, thank you 44. What the color available? Okay, 44 the colors will be 44 dia punya colour ini. Kai Cute Moms 48 green I have sister. So these are the color for size 44. 44 44 I got blue. 44 I got dusty purple. Dusty purple. I got hot pink. Then I have purple. This one is lavender.
No, lavender this one. Lavender is this one.
Blue.
Ini macam bluish lah.
Then this one is lavender. And I have salmon. So these are the colors. You can take screenshot. These are the colors for size 44. Size 46 hot pink and size 48 green. Okay, sister Kai Cute Moms 46 pink and 48 green.
46 pink,
46 pink.
48 green.
Green ini last piece ada kasih. There, I give
Dusty
it.
purple cancel.
Okay, dusty purple can. Okay, can sister, no problem.
Yang Kai Cute Moms.
PTP 58 in green available. 58 PTP ada tak? Huh?
Apa tu? She want what color? That one take out lah the sticker. The sticker.
Nanti tak ada stiker.
Sticker the hot pink. She want what color?
Sister, PTP 58 you can. Okay, hot pink and purple. Okay, sis Fadli, your 144 hot pink and purple confirm sister. Hot pink and purple. Hot pink and purple.
Wait, hot pink already have.
Ni siapa ni?
Fadli.
Fadila lah, Fadila.
Fadila. Okay, okay, sister, your one Fadli, your one is confirmed, sister.
What Fadli? Bukan.
Okay, sister, your one confirmed. Okay, sis,
Oh ni baru. Oh Fadli.
58 green I tak ada kak. 44 green don't have. Yes, thank you. Okay, sister. Sis Inta, I have these colors only for 44. PTP 58 to 59 can wear this one. I got blue. I got dusty purple. Apa kau naam ki?
I'm saying.
Jadi PTP. Then I got
Mami cakap jangan disturb.
light purple. Then I have salmon. Salmon.
That means you send me bling less 58. Is it 44?
That means you send me the bling dress PTP. No sister, different cutting got different PTP sister. Because I already pin already the PTP. So different dress dia punya PTP lain kah? Ini semua ada daripada lain-lain negara kah? Dia bukan satu negara punya. So if the dress different, dia punya PTP different. So you have to check my PTP. I already pin the PTP sister. You have to check the PTP. Okay? The naam ki?
Anita.
Sis Anita, sis you have to check the PTP chart. I already pin. So it's better for you sister. Because
But I cannot see the PTP chart.
can see the PTP chart. We pin already sister.
I see, cannot see. I don't care if you cannot see.
Okay, so is if you want size, if you want the 44 is 58, 59 cm can wear. One is plus minus no problem. 1 cm plus minus is not a problem. That means you send me the wrong size. I send you the wrong size. What size? What design you take? You can contact my admin for the size. Okay, because different design they have different chart. So if you want anything, any exchange, you can direct WhatsApp to my admin sister. Okay. Sorry, bro. Can I cancel design number 1 length? Okay, you want to cancel design number 1 light brown size 42. Okay, you want to cancel the size design number 140. You want to cancel. So I ambil design number 2 piece and design number 3 2 piece only. Okay, sis Yatima, can no problem, sister. You can take. You can. I will cancel for you the design number 1. Yanti na tu ah.
5. Dia nak apa? Cancel item. Light brown dia cancel. I receive green size 44.
Sister, that one you have to contact my admin, sister. You can contact my admin, Anita. Sis Anita, you can alliance with my admin. She will change for you the size. No problem, sis. If you want to change the size, can, no problem. You see what is your PTP, then you send to us. We will change the size. Not a big issue, sister.
Green 46 apa big tadi? 46. Okay, green 46. Dia nak ni.
Okay, sis Atika, you message my admin for any exchange. So I move on to another design. I move on to design number 4, the flower design. Okay, if this one is done already, I moving on to next design. Design number 4.
Tak ada. Tak ada green.
Sorry, may I know design number 3, size 38 left. What colors, please? I want to take another size. Okay, sis, I can show you again, no problem. Size design number 3.
46 ada green tak?
Yatima confirm already lah.
She confirm already. 38 ada apa color lagi sekarang?
Ada dua.
38 किहड़े रंग रह गए हैं?
Yatima never put.
दिखा दे बेटा किहड़े रंग? Okay, for the size 38, now I left with
Satu buang.
किहड़ा कलर है तुझे?
Ini ada salmon ada
तुझे किहड़ा कलर है?
Bluish purple.
Okay, now for the size 38, I got bluish purple only. I got this purple only.
Ada 4 color kan?
Yang tunjuk green.
No reply कर दे. 38, now I left this color only. If you want, please can take now. Now I left last piece only 38. 38 all finished, right? So 38 I got last piece only. If anybody want, please comment now to confirm your order. Okay. So I have last piece for this 38. Now we have a bluish purple only. Sis Atika, we don't have 58 green, don't have, sister. I already answer you ready, sister. Size 58 green color no more, finish all taken.
58.
Sis Atika, the 58 green no more, sister. Okay, so I think I already answered you, sis Atika. I don't have the size 58 green, don't have. Okay, so for the size 30. Okay, Juini, you take. Okay, thank you so much. So the last piece. Bola Juini. Purple.
Juni yang tadi tu Juni.
Jangan ni kau nak Juini Juini.
Salam bro, size 40 what color available?
Waalaikumsalam, sis Salesa. V40. I show you the colors,
Sama color boleh. Apa? Juwi mini take one lavender, one this one almost the same.
I don't know. She take.
Kenapa,
She
Amjad?
choose.
Yeah, she said she want them.
Yeah.
Why you throw it?
No, I give her.
No, you never give.
Thank you. कुछ नहीं है.
Now you go inside, Don't mind.
So 40.
Show your father your face first.
40 कितने का color? Give 40 color.
Wanda bunda ni. Wata.
So the 40, I have now hot pink. I got pink. I got dusty pink, and I got salmon. So the 40 I left with these colors only. I got hot pink. I got pink. Yellow and light green. For other design, yellow and no sister, I don't have any yellow anymore, and light green also I don't have, sister. Yellow I don't have for the other design also, and light green I got this light green only. I don't have size PTP 50 already. So the 40 I got hot pink, I got baby pink, then I got dusty pink, and I got salmon. Okay, so these are the colors. You can take screenshot and send to my admin. Sis Anita, for the yellow I don't have, sister. I don't have yellow color, and light green for other design I don't have. I got the red on hold already. Can I get the salmon together? Kepala number design number 3. This one, Lady Honey, 2 for $50. 128, 250. Hot pink and baby pink. Okay, hot pink and baby pink for Salasa. Is that hot pink and baby pink? Silasa. Salhasan. Salhasan, your one is confirmed. Master Lady Honey, you want to keep which one, sister? I got the red on hold already. Can I get the salmon together? What size you want, sister? Salmon, what size you want? Because salmon 38 no more ready, sister. 38 salmon ko na, 38 all finished ready, right? No. Salmon size 38. Who want?
Lady Honey.
Okay, Lady Honey, I got one piece for you. I got one piece for you. You can. Yeah. Alhamdulillah. Thank you, sis Salasa. Thank you so much. Salhasan, thank you so much. So, Lady Honey, size 38 salmon confirm for you. I already passed to the admin. So, anybody 38, I left now this one only. 38, I left purple only. Purple. This purple.
This one tanya lagi siapa punya, we cannot see already. Size 46. We miss one.
Huh?
Because the name already passed, we cannot see.
Why just now when I tell you, you never write properly? Is this the same color as salmon behind? Yes, sister, it's the same. It's the same color. Never mind, just the one you just hold only later. I check. Yes, sister Lady Honey, this is the same. This one is the same as 38. Same.
Ini ada tali, boleh ikat.
Ini ada tali boleh ikat punya. So anybody Okay, Alhamdulillah. So, anybody, if you want the size 38, now I left one color. Size 40, I still got the colors. If you want, please WhatsApp to my admin. But why, bro? I have received all my items and choco jar. The dress was beautiful and material so good. Choco jar was also. Thank you so much, sis Salhisa. Thank you so much. Sal Hassan, thank you so much, sister. Sal Hassan, thank you so much. You like our choco jar and you like the dresses. Thank you so much, sister. Alhamdulillah. You can repeat order or after Friday, or you can come Friday. You can come to my shop also. You can come to Jucha Complex, or you can come to Gelang Market. Look for me. My name is Jamshed from Faika Collection. Okay. Thank you so much. Anybody, if you have the size problem, please contact my admin, direct to my admin. She will assist you for that. So now going to Maghrib. So I can show you 3 design only. Sorry, I cannot show you the 4th design because it's going to Maghrib in Singapore. So we have to end this session now. Inshallah, sister, we all waiting for you. So this now I will end this session here because it's going to Maghrib in Singapore. So after that, after Isha, we will continue with the blouses. Your shop at the Jucha Complex, Pasar Gelang. Yes, my shop in Jucha Complex and Pasar Gelang, and one more in the west side is Jorong West. So we have one shop in Jorong West, we have in Jucha Complex, and Gelang Serai Market also we have, inshallah. So we all see you. I see you after Isha. Thank you so much. Okay, thank you so much. So Lady Honey, Alhamdulillah, you get ready. Yeah, meet after Maghrib. So everyone, Salam Maghrib. Thank you so much for joining us. Sorry, I cannot show you the design number 3 because it's already going to Maghrib. So tomorrow when we afternoon session, I will continue with design number 4. Jorong West, what block? Sis Rose, later I will send you the address.
Later at night.
At night I will write the address. Okay. So inshallah later I will send the address to all my customers. Okay, I will WhatsApp you. So thank you so much from joining me today. So now it's going to Maghrib in Singapore. So I have to say goodbye. Inshallah later after Maghrib, after Isha we meet again. Okay. Assalamualaikum rahmatullahi ta'ala wa barakatuh. Stay safe, stay healthy. Don't go out too much. If you have any necessary thing, then only go out. Don't go jalan-jalan. Okay, thank you. Okay, don't go like you don't have anything important. Don't go out. Waalaikumsalam. Okay. Assalamualaikum rahmatullahi ta'ala wa barakatuhu. Inshallah, see you later. Bye.